Hey there, knowledge seekers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of BFSI, an acronym that might sound like alphabet soup, but it's the backbone of our financial world. Join me as we decode what BFSI stands for, explore its key components, and break down the responsibilities that make this sector tick. Let's get started on this enlightening journey. Segment 1, Decoding BFSI. Let's kick things off by demystifying the acronym. BFSI stands for banking, financial services, and insurance. These three sectors together form the foundation of our economic ecosystem. They play vital roles in managing money, mitigating risks, and ensuring financial stability. Segment 2, Banking, Beyond the Vault. Now, let's dive into the banking realm. Banks are more than just brick-and-mortar institutions where you stash your cash. They are financial intermediaries that facilitate economic activities. Responsibilities. Banking involves tasks like accepting deposits from individuals and businesses, offering loans and credit facilities, facilitating payments and transactions, and providing a safe platform for people to manage their finances. Banks also offer various financial products and services, such as savings accounts, checking accounts, and certificates of deposit. Segment 3, Financial Services, Navigating the Money Maze. Moving on to financial services, a dynamic sector that plays a pivotal role in guiding financial decisions. Responsibilities. Financial services encompass investment management, financial planning, advisory services, and more. Professionals in this sector assist individuals and businesses in creating strategies to achieve their financial goals. Whether it's retirement planning, wealth management, or tax optimization, financial services provide tailored solutions that help clients navigate the complex world of finance. Segment 4, Insurance, Shielding against uncertainties. Now, let's delve into the realm of insurance, the safety net against life's uncertainties. Responsibilities. Insurance companies offer policies that provide protection against various risks. These risks can range from health issues and accidents to property damage and business interruptions. When individuals or businesses face unexpected events, insurance steps in to mitigate financial losses and provide peace of mind. Insurance professionals assess risks, determine coverage, and manage claims to ensure policyholders receive the support they need when adversity strikes. Segment 5, The Symphony of Responsibilities. Behind the scenes of BFSI are individuals with specific roles that ensure the system functions seamlessly. Responsibilities. Financial analysts analyze market trends, data, and economic indicators to guide investment decisions. Loan officers evaluate loan applications, assess creditworthiness, and facilitate lending. Actuaries calculate risks and design insurance policies. Investment bankers aid in raising capital for businesses through various financial instruments. These roles collectively keep the gears of BFSI turning smoothly. Conclusion, and there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of BFSI, from the banking foundation to the guiding hands of financial services and the safety net of insurance. Remember, this isn't just about numbers, it's about building financial stability, realizing dreams, and protecting against life's uncertainties. If you enjoyed this exploration, hit that like button, subscribe for more knowledge-packed content, and until next time, keep seeking, keep learning, and keep expanding your financial horizons.